What's up, everybody? I'm the 1B. Hope everybody's being safe out there, healthy. And so we're going to do a little more video editing here in Adobe Premiere Pro. And basically what I've been doing is kind of taking clips of this process of taking a Twitch VOD and turning it into a YouTube VOD, I guess. And these Twitch VODs are from 2017, and I just never got them moved over to YouTube. So it's kind of just some practice for me to do some video editing, some thumbnail creation, kind of the whole process of video editing and such. So what we're going to do here is I'm on the 5th of these 9 videos. There might be some more. I haven't just reached that point in my highlights and stuff on Twitch. So this is about an hour, which is about perfect for length. And this one's an hour. This one's an hour 28. This one's an hour, and this is about 45 minutes. So the process for all of these are pretty much going to be the same. I've showed you some of these ones, which are a little bit longer, where I cut them in half and then I export them, or I queue 2 of them for rendering. You can go check out those videos, but for now, this is just going to be a basic. We're going to scrub through, make sure that there's no delays at the beginning, at the end, and no BRBs in the middle, AFKs. And then we'll slap on my end screen and we'll queue it and be on the way. So let's go ahead and minimize this. Let's go new project. Typically you'll pick where you want to put it. I already have it in this section here for videos, video editing. We're going to call it Steredenn. And I was using underscores, but recently I found out that Google in search engine results prefers hyphens. So we're going to start using hyphens from here on out. So this is Steredenn, and we're going to call it part 5. And I like my project down over here. I should probably save that. I'll do it later though. Go to videos, and we want part 5. And then I also need this here, which is my end screen. Get in. I like to go ahead and delete these tracks because I don't need them. We're going to just let this peaks generate real quick. And I like to make this a little bigger just because you can see the audio, right? There's no pauses. So this is just me playing Steredenn on live streaming, and you can kind of see here where the peaks are, right? So I'm not doing really anything here. And we're kind of set up here. Okay, so I'm getting set up, you can tell. And we must be about here. Got that one. And we're going live with Steredenn. Steredenn, stir. Steredenn, stir. Steredenn. We got a Steredenn. Steredenn. We're gonna kind of take it about here somewhere. Say right there. Okay, we can go ahead and delete that. Pull this back to the front. Oops. Rocks. I don't have the heavy weapon yet, but hopefully I get it. Double checking some of these drop points, which I'm assuming are like the beginning of a level or the end of a level. Make sure that there's no quick AFK situations. Points where I go AFK, that is. I will be back in about 40 minutes or so. So I must die here. Oh. Oh. Oh well. Alright, I should be back. Oh. Oh well. And then that's probably good right there, because so typically I'm not keeping much of the live stuff, or I'm just chatting afterwards or telling people I'm leaving. So then we just got to pull in this YouTube end screen. We have our front and our back. Oops. I'm gonna make sure that that's beginning, right? That there's no. Okay. And so first of all, when you click this, it's messed up. See, it's bigger than the frame. So we will scale the frame, and then we'll go to effect controls. And I prefer it to be at 15. Right, this one here. And that's because I've said this many times, I would rather you have to turn it down than turn it up. And so yeah, that's this. I think we're pretty much done with this one. It's going to take about 20 minutes to render. There was one last thing here that I wanted to do, which would be export to media. So we're going to call this Steredenn. We're going to call it episode 8. I am now using hyphens instead of underscores because I guess search engine optimization it handles these better. It's going to bring up the Adobe Media Encoder. And we're good. Like I said, I'm going to render this, and hopefully there was something in here that kind of helped you out, give you a little direction. Look into my process of turning in a Twitch VOD into a YouTube video. You could go so much more in depth with these, but for now, this is kind of where I'm going. I have hundreds of videos to get through. So, thanks again for watching. There's going to be more of this process stuff coming. And everybody stay healthy and safe out there. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.